The Knockies KP1 Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. Today we will take a look at the new KP1 Earbuds by Knockies. These are the newest versions for those that are seeking AirPod type clones. These versions are probably the closest to the current AirPods. I'll go over features, specs, provide music and mic samples, and then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside the box, you get your user guide and lightning cable for charging. The earbuds feature 6 hours of listening time, 25 plus with the case. It takes 1 hour to charge the case via the cable and 1.5 hours wirelessly. It uses Bluetooth 5.0 and has the H1 type chip, touch controls, and the charging case has lightning and wireless charging. In-ear sensors so it can detect when it's on, a pop-up window for pairing, and improved sounds. On the left side we have the Knockies KP1 and on the right side is the Apple AirPods 2. You can see the similarities of the case. The back has a brush finish on the latch, and it's very difficult to tell. The only difference is that the Apple has the manufacturer markings on the back. On the front and bottom of the case, you have the status LED and the lightning port for charging. On the back, you have the pairing button. The lid opens and closes very tight, an improvement with previous versions. It uses magnets along with the earbuds. As mentioned, it also has wireless charging, and you can see it here activate on the charger. The initial pairing is just a matter of opening the lid and the pop-up window will appear. The pop-up window only works on Apple devices. Once paired, you can see the charge status of the case and earbuds. The finish of the earbuds is in line with the Apple AirPods. These have the in-ear sensors so it will detect when you put them on. There are no LEDs and voice prompts anymore. It uses beeps, and navigating playback and calls is just a matter of touching the outside. And here are the earbuds side by side. Now the KP1 on the left and the AirPods on the right side by side. Lengthwise, the KP1 earbuds come in at 1.6 inches. And the Apple AirPods also come in at 1.6 inches. The KP1 case comes in at 1.7 by 0.8 by 2.1 inches. The AirPod case comes in at 1.7 by 0.8 by 2.1 inches as well. The KP1 case comes in at 39 grams and the AirPod case comes in at roughly 40 grams. The KP1 earbuds come in at about 7 grams and the AirPods come in at roughly 8 grams. Now for some music samples followed by a microphone sample in a noisy setting.
Take a dream dreams running through our heads, running through our heads. Oh, we hear the rumbling of the road, a new song playing far from home. We come together to answer the call. We play it loud, or we play nothing at all.
This is a test of the Knockies KP1 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. You can use the earbuds individually, left or right side. As far as watching video, I didn't experience any noticeable latency, and this can vary depending on the apps and device used. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Knockies KP1 earbuds, and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. I have the KP1 on my right ear and the AirPods on the left. Comfort-wise, this is in line with the Apple AirPods. The form factor is the same and it just sits outside your ear canals. So you can definitely wear this for long periods of time without any discomfort. It does lack the support just like the AirPods, so if you decide to run or work out with these, it may fall out. Build and quality has definitely improved from the previous versions. The case and earbuds do not feel cheap at all, and it's really difficult to distinguish them from the AirPods. The touch controls, in-ear sensors, and wireless charging worked as advertised. It's easy to navigate and the ear detection worked with no issues. When it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, I think it's very similar to the Apple AirPods. They both don't have that punchy deep bass, but it has its presence. Mids and highs, I would give the edge to the KP1. It comes in a lot brighter and louder than the AirPods in my opinion. Vocals and instruments are prominent, and as you heard from the music samples, you get a sense of where the sounds stand out. So overall, Knockies takes another step in improvements with the new KP1. These are another alternative if you are seeking AirPods style at a fraction of the cost. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.